How to turn on or turn off extra dim shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on accessibility. From here, we tap on vision enhancements and then scroll down and tap on extra dim. Tap on the left hand side panel, then tap on extra dim shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. Once you turn it on, you have 4 different options to choose. You can use the quick panel buttons, so you can turn on one or all of them. Tap on the accessibility button, which is down here. So we got extra dim, so maybe I need to save the changes first before it will apply. You can use the press side and volume up buttons, so press the side and volume up buttons. You can also choose press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds, volume up and volume down buttons for 3 seconds. Then tap on OK. After that, it will add it to your menu. Here we got extra dim. We can quickly turn it on or off. Or you can swipe down up here. It will add extra dim to the quick panel. And that's it. So you can go back in here and turn it off if you wanted to. And that's it. So that's how you can turn on or turn off extra dim shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.